What do you think about the Fed today? Are we nearing a point where we're getting towards the beginning of the end of the Fed raising rates or not?
The Fed does a wonderful job under Jay Powell of telegraphing what it's going to do. In the old days, Paul Volcker would do something over a weekend. He wouldn't tell you what he was going to do, and he didn't tell you what he did after he did it. The world's changed. Jay Powell tells you what he's going to do in English and not in Fed speak, and I think they pretty much telegraphed it's going to be 50 basis points. The markets would be shocked if it's anything other than 50 basis points. If it's 75 basis points, as people thought it would be a couple months ago, that would be a shocking in the market. And if it was 0, that would be shocking as well. So 50 basis points, and then I think the Fed will pause and say, let's see what happens. The inflation numbers were very good. We're running, the last couple of months, over 3% inflation. So that shows the Fed is making some progress. So I think the Fed will probably wait a few more meetings before they decide whether they're going to do anything more than the 50 basis points we're going to get today.
But
and I think the Fed is making progress. Inflation takes a long time to get out of the system. It takes a longer time to get out of the system than get into the system. And I think the Fed made some mistakes, as they would admit, but I think it was transitory. But now I think they've made some real progress, and I think inflation's coming down.
Are you bullish over 10 years, 10-year period? Is $31 trillion a lot? Will that hurt GDP growth, $31 trillion in debt that we have now? And I mean, are you bullish over the next 10 years? We got unfunded liabilities, we got Social Security, Medicare. Yeah, over the next 10 years.
You know, it's very difficult to predict 10 years in advance.
But are you bullish long term?
I'm bullish. My most important thing is to live 10 more years. I don't know if I'm going to do that.
Are you bullish on that? You look good.
You know, I just had my physical yesterday. A guy said, you know, you might make my 10 more years. You never know. But I'd say, look, one of the problems we have in the federal government is we have 10-year budgeting. And that means you can play a lot of games, but you can say the revenue is going to come in years 8, 9, and 10, and then it doesn't come in. 10-year budgeting, I think, has been a big problem. That's why our deficit, among other things, is our debt is $31 trillion. $31 trillion. I mean, when I was in government, I left government in the Carter years, I think we had under $1 trillion of debt. Now it's $31 trillion. Now, you should be upset about that, right?
Yeah.